In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for kitchen design, a step-by-step guide. We'll start by routing each task to the right model tier so your results match your goals. Look at the model selection menu at the very top of your chat workspace. Leave it on the instant tier when you need fast, factual help. Things like confirming standard countertop heights, checking dishwasher door clearances, or converting island dimensions. Switch to the thinking tier for big picture planning. That engine shines when you're shaping full layouts, weighing how zones connect, analyzing ergonomics, or mapping complex storage flows. A quick tip, state your room dimensions, window and door locations, and any must-keep appliances up front, so the model reasons with the right constraints. Next, dial in workflow with the classic kitchen work triangle, the relationship between the sink, refrigerator, and range. Paste a prompt that sets a professional tone and gives your basic facts, like this. Act as a principal interior architect, kitchen ergonomics specialist, and space planner. I want an efficient kitchen layout blueprint. My kitchen is an L-shaped, U-shaped galley measuring dimensions. Outline a plan that optimizes the kitchen work triangle between sink, refrigerator, and range. Specify recommended distances, point out potential traffic bottlenecks, and list mandatory clearance zones so appliance doors open safely. Provide your actual layout and measurements where noted, and let the model propose options. If it suggests multiple versions, ask it to compare pros and cons and call out any clearances you must respect. With flow set, organize storage by function. Tell ChatGPT, act as a custom cabinetry designer and kitchen storage organization expert. Provide a zone-based cabinet blueprint. Break storage into 5 zones: consumables, non-consumables, cleaning, preparation, and cooking. For each zone, recommend deep drawers, upper cabinets, or pull-out organizers, and include ergonomic placement rules to minimize bending and reaching. This produces a clear map you can hand to a cabinet maker or use to plan DIY inserts. To make it even more accurate, mention the items you own most, like tall bottles, sheet pans, or bulky appliances, so recommendations match your real inventory. Finally, lock in materials and lighting so the kitchen looks great and works hard. Use then act as an interior finishes designer, material scientist, and residential lighting consultant. I'm designing a modern industrial, warm, minimalist, etc. kitchen. Provide a curated material and finishes schedule. Recommend a high-performance countertop material. Engineered quartz, quartzite, or porcelain. Describe maintenance. Suggest a complementary cabinet finish and hardware metal. And outline a 3-layer lighting plan covering ambient, task, and accent. This will give you a cohesive palette and a layered light plan that supports cooking, cleanup, and entertaining. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.